Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is Rusty 78609, and that is an Axis cart from Lowe's. It's also called an NV from Hisun, Hisun. Hisun is assembled in a factory at McKinney, Texas, and shipped to wherever. There's other dealers too. But anyway, that's it right there. You buy them at Lowe's. This is one I got from Lowe's. You get a military discount and all that stuff. But I've had new golf carts before. One of the most irritating things is when you put it in reverse. Now, some of you may like that feature and you may need it. I don't, because I don't go play golf. This is not a golf cart. It's actually called a neighborhood vehicle. And notice there's no place for golf bags anyway. So, having said that, and this is what it is right here, but it's made by Hisun, Hisun, in McKinney, Texas, or assembled there. So whenever you get it, if you want to disconnect the backup beep, 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 you know what I mean? And also on this one, it has blinkers, left and right turn signals. And whenever you turn the turn signal thing on, it would beep, 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 beep. Well, both of those little beepers are in this compartment right up in here. There's a screw on the left and a screw on the right. You take those two screws out, take you a screwdriver, a flathead, and just kind of pry that down. And this whole piece will kind of fold out. And when it folds out, just, put the blinker on and you'll hear the beep, beep, beep. And then you can unplug that one. And then for reverse, put it in reverse and you'll find the other one. Just kind of feel around on those wires. I'll show them to you. Let me go get them. What you have to disconnect or what you're looking for. I'm not going to take it back apart and show you where they were because they may not be in the same place on yours because they were just in a pile of wires on mine. But anyway, let me get out here. I'm living in a Class C motorhome here in Fort Clark Springs, Texas. And don't you love the way I do videos? I just show everything. Here they are right here. You have to unplug these and they are noisier than crap, both of them. Okay, that's what this, I'm not sure if this is the turn signals or the reverse. I think this may be the reverse one right here. And this is the turn signal one right here. They're both you just unplug them. But that's what they look like. So that's what you're looking for whenever you take off this piece here. Again, there's a screw on this side, Phillips, screw on that side, Phillips. Real easy to take out. Just take your flathead and pry it down a little bit, and this will all lean. Don't pull it. It'll just lean out. You know what I mean? And you're going to see a pile of wires. And just unplug those two. Will the cart still go? Sure it will. Yeah, a lot of people will tell you that if you unplug the backup beeper, they won't go. This one does. I mean, that's all I need to know. And anyway, it's a neat little cart, good price at Lowe's. And yeah, but I didn't see any videos on YouTube showing how to remove these deals here. Now, there is another beeper up under here, up at there, that you can unplug, but that's your horn. Okay, the horn comes in handy. Well, you got to turn on the key. And I don't have the key in my pocket. Let me get the key. I'll show you the horn. Or I'll let you hear the horn. I know you want to hear the horn. I mean, you can't go without hearing the horn. Okay, key. Golf cart keys are funny looking things, aren't they? You love that? Anyway, it comes with two keys also. But anyway, I'm going to turn this on. Dink on. And now you can hear the horn. Good, you need a horn. But now when you turn the blinker on, left blinker, see, it's blinking. No noise. Right blinker, no noise. See it blinking over there? Okay. So everything, we got rid of that. And then if you put it in reverse, I'll show you. It's in reverse, I think. Yeah, it's in reverse. Put it neutral, reverse, and it should go beep, 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 but it doesn't. Why? Because I unplugged that dog, man. But anyway, it's a neat golf cart. It's got a speedometer here, and this is the battery full indicator, and right now it's showing it's full. But it'll always, whenever you're charging batteries, this is a 48 volt cart. It's got 4 12 volt batteries. But whenever you're charging them, it'll show full. And then when you disconnect, it'll settle out and show you what it is. But on this charger, and I'll just throw this in for a bonus, you see the little red light blinking there? Right up in here. If it's blinking red, that means the batteries are less than 80% full. If it's blinking orange, then that means that it's over 80% full. If it's blinking green, then it means the battery is full, okay? But you don't need to worry about really overcharging. These are AGM batteries. They love to be full, okay? So, read up on AGMs and disconnect all the crap and you'll be good. But again, this is it right here, really neat. Yeah, this thing here, I'm not going to do that. I don't want to do a full advertisement. I just wanted to show you how to disconnect those irritating beeping sounds. Anyway, adios amigos. Thumbs up. Use the Amazon link. Drink plenty of water. Stretch, walk, stand guard at the door of your mind, and enjoy your life in your neighborhood vehicle. Adios. Bye.